Welcome student in Christchurch Convent School digital classes, subject chemistry, chapter 3 electrochemistry, part 5 Nast equation. This topic is also important from the exam point of view. The equation was named after a German physicist, Walter Nast. The Nast equation empower us or help us to calculate the assurance of the cell potential under non-standard condition and relates the measured cell voltage or potential to the reaction quotient and permit the exact measurement of equilibrium constant. So this is the importance of Nast equation. Now let us consider an electrochemical reaction which is taking place as given below. Capital A reactant of small a moles of reactant capital A is reacting with the B moles of reactant capital B and forming small c moles of product C along with small d moles of product capital D. So for this reaction, with the help of Nast equation, we can write as follows: E cell of the electromotive force or EMF of the cell is equal to E minus of the cell, means E anode of the cell is equal to RT upon NF natural log Q. So R is the gas constant, T is the absolute temperature in Kelvin, N is the number of electron either released or number of electron, and F is Faraday constant. F is Faraday constant, and reaction quotient Q is taken by the chemical equilibrium chapter. Q, the value of Q. So C is the product and the small c is the number of moles, which is written on the power of moles. So it is based on law of mass action. You can call Kc equilibrium constant. Q is the Kc equilibrium constant. So learn this Nast equation and try to remember the full form of the in case of Daniell cell, Nast equation is modified as below. Electromotive force of cell is equal to E minus cell is equal to RT upon NF natural logarithm of Q, and E cell minus RT upon N means number of electron or charge. So N is taken as 2 because 2 electrons are either loose or gained in this redox reaction. F is the Faraday constant and natural logarithm of Zn2 plus ion divided by copper 2 plus ion. Molar concentration of zinc ion divided by molar concentration of copper ion. The above equation implies that the value of increases with the increase in the concentration of copper ion increases and decreases the concentration of zinc ion. Putting the value of R, F at T is equal to 298 Kelvin, the equation become E cell minus 0.059 upon 2 natural logarithm of molar concentration of zinc ion divided by molar concentration of copper ion. So if the circuit in the Daniell cell is closed, then the following redox reaction will take place: zinc metal solid, copper ion in aqueous form, arrow zinc ion in aqueous form plus copper metal in solid form. With that time, the concentration of zinc ion increases and the concentration of copper ion decreases. So the voltage reading of the cell on the voltmeter also decreases. After some time, there is no alteration in the concentration. After some time, there is no alteration in the concentration of copper ion and zinc ion, and the voltmeter gives 0 reading. At this point of time, the equilibrium has been reached. Then the Nast equation for the reaction becomes E cell is equal to E0 of the cell minus 2.20. नेचुरल लॉग को यदि नॉर्मल लॉग में बदलना हो तो 2.303 से गुणा कर देते हैं. So E0 cell minus 2.303 RT upon 2F log molar concentration of zinc ion divided by molar concentration of copper ion. So the EMF of the cell becomes 0 at the equilibrium. So E0 of cell become 2.303 RT upon 2F log Zn2 plus ion upon Cu2 plus ion molar concentration. But at equilibrium at T is equal to 298 Kelvin, the equation can be rewritten as E0 of the cell is equal to 0.059 volt upon 2 log Kc. Kc is the equilibrium constant, or E0 of the is equal to log Kc is 1.1 upon into 2 E0 of the Daniell cell is 1.1 volt. So E0 E cell multiplied by 2, so Kc become 1.1 is the voltage of Daniell cell, जिसको E0 ऑफ द सेल कहा गया है. 2 अपॉन में था तो ये मल्टीप्लाई में हो गया और ये 0.059 V जो है वो डिवीज़न में आ गया. सो इफ वी सिंप्लीफाई दिस, log Kc बिकम 37.288 और Kc is become 2 into 10 raised to power 37 at 298 Kelvin. So E0 of the cell can written as 0.059 V voltage upon 2 log Kc. So one problem is given to you related to Nast equation. Calculate the EMF of the cell in which the following reaction take place: nickel solid is converting into nickel 2 plus ion by losing 2 electron, and the silver ion whose concentration is 0.002 mole per liter is converting into solid silver, given that the E5 of the cell is 1.05 volt. Solution by using Nast equation: E cell minus 0.059 upon 2 log V molar concentration of nickel ion divided by molar concentration of silver ion raised to the power 2, because 2 mole of silver ion are taking part in the reaction. So 1.05 is given to you. 0.059 upon 2 log 0.106 divided by 0.002 to the power 2. If we simplify this, we'll get 1.05 minus 0.02955 log 4 into 10 raised to power 4. So finally it become 1.05 minus 0.02955 log 1000 plus log 4 10,000. हाँ आनंद. So if you are familiar with how to take log, you can simplify this, and finally you will get 0.914 volt for this